Hey, okay, I thought I would do a lock picking video today, and I will be picking this American A1100 padlock. While this is a green belt lock, and I will be going for green belt at some point, this is not that video. I won't be picking it. I won't be gutting it, rather, after picking it in this video. The lock was donated to me by Richard Jones, a fellow Welshman, so my thanks to him for that. Now, I should say I'm quite an intuitive picker. I don't rely on picking order, as in knowing the position of pins. You know, it would be pins 1 to 5 on this, front to back, but I don't call out the numbers or anything as I pick. I will be picking using a Z wrench in the top of the keyway. I find these stay in the top of the keyway better than the more traditional TOK pry bar, at least for this lock. And I will also be using a monkey paw pick. I love the monkey paw, it's great, and I use it for a lot of things these days, namely Abises and now this American. I'll probably not be saying much during the pick. I usually pick quite quietly, and as I say, I won't be counting out the numbers of the pin positions and stuff like that. But here we go. The final pin to go is usually at the front of this. Always more difficult doing these things on camera. picked this thing 3 times today. Tension's a little bit tight. Just a little. Again, I'm far from being the quickest picker in the world. But should get there momentarily. And there's the open. There we go. It took a little longer than expected, but that's okay. I don't mind that myself. It's a marathon rather than a sprint at the end of the day. But okay, there is the open on the American A1100. Thank you very much for watching this. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I shall speak to you soon. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.